Hey guys, got a finicky Xfinity remote. I'll show you how to reset it in this video. So guys, firstly you need to identify your model. If your remote has a setup button like the XR11 or 12, use one method, and if it doesn't, like the XR15, use another. Either way, you'll reset, then reprogram. So firstly, press and hold the setup button until the light at the top changes from red to green. So as you can see on the screenshot, this is what it's supposed to be like. And after that, just type in on your TV numbers 9, 8 and 6. The LED should blink green twice, indicating a successful reset. Now for remote without a setup button like XR15, press and hold A, which is triangle, and D, diamond buttons together until the LED light changes from red to green. So approximately this is what it is going to be looking like. And your remote's now reset. Next you can pair it again, so just point it at your Xfinity box, then follow on-screen instructions or use the Xfinity Plus info or setup button method as prompted. And that's pretty much it guys, and now your Xfinity remote should be good to go. If this helped, click the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.